Today I want to show you guys this bird feeder. The brand sent it to me, make a video for you guys. It's a sponsor product. As you see, this is really nice premium quality. It has really nice quality body and it has nice color. It blends well in the backyard. So it has pretty decent features. It has built-in camera. You can easily see what's going on around. Once the birds come here and it detects motion, you can get a notification. If you activate the notification, you will see what's going on. And on the top you have this nice large area. You can fill water for them to take bath and just drink water, whatever. And over here you have the hummingbird feeder. You just fill it and you can position in different positions over here, 4 of them. And if you have a squirrel problem, you can use this attachment to just cover here. So in this case, if you want to install this, before you put the screw, you would just place this inside and then put the screws. If you want, you can just take this off and keep this one. So whichever you like, you can do so. So you can see you easily how much food left inside. It has view-through window here. You can easily identify whenever you need to refill, and refilling is very easy. You just open the top. So you have one screw here. You can just take that off and you can easily refill just like this. And on the back you have antenna. You can easily connect to your Wi-Fi. It gives you better quality of signal. And you have solar panel. You can connect it to it and charge it. If you want, you can also take this inside and charge it as well. Overall, really nice high quality material. On the bottom you can see it has this drainage hole in case rain comes in, and it will just take off. Nothing goes inside from this. It's just waterproof, but when the rain happens from the side, it could get wet, but it will drain out. Installation is very easy. All you have to do is install this bracket with these 2 screws or 3 screws. Once you secure this bracket, you install this main body to this with this screw here, and you can position change the position. It has holes on the bottom. I think I can show. You see those holes that are all around, so you can position whichever the position and then secure with the screw. It will stay in its place. Overall, looks really nice, really beautiful color, blends well. I hope this was helpful.